In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Expressvpn Chrome extension. This straightforward process will ensure that your online activities remain private and secure while browsing. So, let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Expressvpn website. Expressvpn is renowned for being one of the fastest and most reliable VPN services, offering a great combination of speed and privacy protection. You can either type Expressvpn into your search bar or use a bookmark if you've visited the site before. Once the page has loaded, look for and click on the My Account option. This will take you to the login area where you can manage your subscription and settings. If you haven't already signed up for Expressvpn, use this opportunity to create an account. However, assuming you've already signed up, click on Sign In. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. So, go ahead and enter your email address and password, then hit the Sign In button. After logging into your account, the Expressvpn dashboard should appear. This is the main control hub for your VPN service, where you'll find various options to manage your VPN settings and extend it to other devices. Here, you're going to want to click on Set up your devices. The Set up your devices page is where Expressvpn allows you to choose how you'd like to expand VPN protection to other gadgets in your digital arsenal. Since we're specifically focusing on Google Chrome today, move down the list of options and click on Google Chrome. This will direct you to a specific page dedicated to setting up Expressvpn on your Google Chrome browser. The page will offer a detailed explanation of how to go about installing the extension. But to simplify the next steps, look for the Get Extension button. Clicking this will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, locate the Expressvpn extension. Here, check that you are downloading the legitimate extension from Expressvpn, ensuring it features positive reviews and high ratings for reassurance. Once you've verified this, click the Add to Chrome button. A prompt will ask for confirmation to add the extension. Confirm the action, and the installation will begin. After installation, you'll notice the Expressvpn icon appearing on the top right of your browser. Click on this icon to launch the extension and sign in using your Expressvpn account credentials. Once you're logged in, you can easily connect to and disconnect from the VPN with just a single click. From this point on, whenever you're using Google Chrome, your browser activity will be protected by Expressvpn's robust security features. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to set up the Expressvpn Chrome extension. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay secure online.